Let's get you set up to follow this ArcPy course all about definition queries in ArcGIS Pro. There's a download link below this video where you're going to download a zip file that contains an APRX and other course material. We'll first have an overview of what definition queries are and why you should utilize them. We're then going to look at a whole host of functionality that is available with definition queries through ArcPy for layers in a map. Following that, we're going to create some custom tools that rely on definition queries. As of the ArcGIS Pro version 3.4, the generate definition query from selection geoprocessing tool was introduced. So we'll take a look at every parameter associated with that tool. Another advancement was in ArcGIS Pro 3.5, where the spatial clause was added to the definition queries. So we'll also take a look at that. So let's get you set up and ready to go. I wish you all the best with your learning. After you've clicked on the download link below this video, I want you to go to your downloads and find the FDM ArcPy DQ course material.zip folder that has been downloaded. You're going to right click on this zip folder and go to extract all. We're going to place this at the root of the C drive. I want you to remove everything besides C, colon, and the backslash. You can also use browse and go to your C drive and just click select folder, and we click extract. I navigate to my C drive. I now have this ArcPy_DQ folder. If I click in, I have the APRX that you can open up and that you're going to see used throughout this course. I will open that APRX. This APRX has one map and one layout. The map is called depthQuery_map and it has 4 layers: place named as a point, canals as a line, parks as a polygon, and county boundaries as a polygon. We have one layout, and on the right hand side, if I expand toolboxes, we have our ArcPy_DQ ATBX. And we have 3 tools in there that we will go through the creation of in this course. If I expand databases, we're using the ArcPy_DQ GDB, and we have 4 feature classes in there that represent 4 layers in our map: place names, parks, canals, and county boundaries. Go back to the folder setup, click up. There's an output folder for any output from the course. This is currently empty. Have Python scripts. Most of these are to allow you to jump in at various points throughout the course if you're coming back to visit the material. And we also have the scripts for the 3 tools that we are going to create. I'll go back up out of this folder. There is a README file. This just lets you know that the APRX is saved at version 3.4, and to make sure that you unzip to the C drive. And we have an Excel file here that just details where our data sets came from. You are now set up to follow along with this course all about definition queries with ArcPy and ArcGIS Pro. I wish you all the best with your learning. Take care.